Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let we start English chapter number 19, the discovery of America. In the ancient time, most of the people believed that the earth was flat. बहुत प्राचीन समय की बात है, बहुत पुराने समय की बात है. लोग सोचते थे कि धरती जो है वो फ्लैट है बिल्कुल. Okay. However, some people were sure that it was not flat but round. कुछ उनमें से कुछ लोग सोचते थे कि ये फ्लैट नहीं है, राउंड है, गोल है. Okay, Christopher Columbus was one of them who believed in the latter idea. Columbus was an Italian from Genoa, living in Portugal. जो है क्रिस्टोफर कोलंबस था, वो कहा जेनोवा में पुर्तगाल में रहता था. द ग्रेटेस्ट एम्बिशन ऑफ हिज लाइफ, उसका जो ग्रेट एम्बिशन था उसके जीवन का, टू डिस्कवर द सी रूट टू द स्पाइस लैंड ऑफ द ईस्ट इंडीज. उसका जो मेन वो था ना एम्बिशन, समुद्र से रास्तों की खोज करना था, वो चाहता था. ही गेव लॉजिक दैट साइंस सिंस द अर्थ इज राउंड, है ना, उसने लॉजिक दिया कि पृथ्वी गोल है. अ शिप कुड सेल अराउंड द ग्लोब एंड रिटर्न टू इट्स ओरिजिनल स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. तो जो है शिप अगर पानी में चलेगा तो जिस पॉइंट से चलेगा वो घूमकर उसी पॉइंट पे आ जाएगा. Thus, the shortest route to the world would be by sailing. Columbus sought support from all quarters for his idea again and again, but people refused to believe him. है ना, अब वो जो है ये अपने आइडिया जो है लोगों को देता था, बताता था, बस बट उसके आइडिया को सब रिफ्यूज करते थे, मानते नहीं थे. Though he was a skilled navigator, he needed a lot of money to set out on an expedition to prove his point. He required ships, food supply and men. उसको किस चीज की जरूरत पड़ रही थी अपने डिस्कवर के लिए? जहाज की, खाने के, कुछ लोगों की. दिस वॉज पॉसिबल ओनली विद द सपोर्ट ऑफ समवन रिच एंड पावरफुल. और ये कब पॉसिबल हो सकता था? जब उसके सपोर्ट में कोई रिच और पावर यानी अमीर और कोई शक्तिशाली आदमी उसके साथ में आता. फाइनली आफ्टर इयर्स ऑफ डिसअपॉइंटमेंट ही गेन द हेल्प ऑफ फ्यूडिनेंड एंड इजाबेला, द स्पेनिश किंग एंड क्वीन. इन दो का राजा और रानी जो स्पेनिश के थे उसका, उन दोनों का उसको साथ मिला. So in August 1492, three small ships set sail from Spain. Their bows pointed westwards across the wide unknown Atlantic. Columbus was quite sure that it was an island of the coast of India. When an island came into view, he named them the Indies. In fact, the island were the Bahamas and the Haiti Island of the coast of North America. Columbus's mistake was, however, a very important event in the discovery and exploration of America. Columbus is said to have he has discovered America for at the time Europe and the Eastern world had no idea about its existence. After Columbus found this new world, people started visiting the place. Very soon people settled there. बहुत जल्दी जो है लोग वहाँ पे, कहाँ पे, अमेरिका में सेटल होना शुरू हो गए थे. ठीक है. One Italian named Amerigo sailed some voyages. America was given this name after the name of this man. ठीक है. Because some people believed wrongly them that it was the man who had discovered the mainland of the continent. So after that, in fact, 500 years before Columbus was born, the mainland of America was discovered by Norsemen. Okay, so it is believed that first they sailed west to discover Iceland, then Greenland, then to America. We might say that exploration is not a new thing. Surely someone, explorer, were already engaged in this task before Columbus. Neither Columbus nor Norsemen before him had discovered America. There were red Indians who had already been living from many centuries before the white man arrived. It is believed that the red Indians were the first to reach there from Asia. After Columbus, some other explorers also went to America. They wanted to bring many natural riches of the newly discovered continent. So, with them, but most of them settled there. In 1620, more than hundreds men and women and children sailed from England in a ship to America. So there, they found a place with plenty of food and water and other things. They settled there. At first, they faced many difficulties, but they had made up their minds to stay there on. They did not want to go back to England. Gradually, the things improved. They started living with the Red Indians as neighbor as well. And our friends, as friends, then called some other friends from England. They set a colony, which was an example of faith and courage. So the settler in time became the citizen and later on known as Americans. Okay, so it is the discovery of America. Kisne? Columbus ne. So everyone, the chapter is in here. I hope you all are very well understand full chapter. So we will meet you in the next class. Thank you everyone.